This video shows how to restore a previous version of a page in Notion. I'm using a sample page called Restore Previous Version just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. Move your cursor to the top right of the page. Click the three dots icon. Click Version History. A pop-up window opens showing the version history. You will see older versions of the page with dates and times on the right. Click the version you want to restore. The page preview changes to that version. Click Restore at the bottom right. Confirm the restore. The page now returns to that earlier version. If a version is too old, you may need to be on a paid plan to restore it. That's how you restore a previous version of a page in Notion.